Tired of endless email chains just to schedule a meeting? Let prospects book directly with one link. No back and forth, no frustration, no wasted time. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up and send a meeting scheduler link inside any Pipedrive deal. It's one of those features that once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So let's start from your dashboard. The first thing you want to do is open up Pipedrive and click on Deals in the left sidebar. This is where all your active opportunities live. Now, open any deal you're currently working on. It doesn't matter which one. Pick the one where you're trying to set up a meeting with a prospect. Now, switch over to the Email tab inside that deal. This is where you compose messages directly to your contact. And here's where the magic happens. Right below the subject field, you'll see an option labeled Meeting Scheduler. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the scheduler settings. Now, the first thing you'll want to set is the meeting duration. How long should each slot be? 30 minutes, an hour? I usually go with 30 minutes for initial calls, but you can adjust this based on what works for your workflow. Just pick your default length from the dropdown. Next, you'll select your available dates and times. This is basically your calendar. Click on the days you want to be available and then drag to select the time blocks that work for you. If you're only free on Tuesday afternoons and Thursday mornings, just mark those. The system will only show slots you've actually selected, so there's no risk of double booking yourself. Now, pay attention to this one. Review your availability settings before you generate anything. Look for buffer times between meetings and any daily limits you want to set. I always add a 15-minute buffer between slots, so I'm not rushing from one call to the next. And I cap it at 5 meetings per day to avoid burnout. These little tweaks make a huge difference in how smoothly your schedule runs. Once you're happy with your settings, go ahead and generate the scheduling link. Click that button and Pipedrive will create a unique URL just for this meeting request. It might take a moment to process, but you'll see the link appear right there in the window. Now, insert that meeting scheduler link into your email body. Just paste it where it makes sense. I usually put it right after I say something like, "Let me know a time that works for you," or simply pick a slot here. That way, the prospect has a clear action to take. Here's the thing I've learned from using this feature extensively. Don't just drop the link and hit send. Take a moment to review your email content. Make sure the tone is friendly and the link is easy to spot. A quick read-through catches typos and confirms everything looks polished. This is your prospect's first impression of your meeting process, so make it count. When you're satisfied, click send. And that's it. Your email is on its way. Now the ball is in the prospect's court. They open your email, click the link, and see a clean calendar with only your available times. They pick one that works for them, and it automatically gets added to your calendar. I usually check my calendar within a few minutes after sending, just to confirm the booking appears correctly. And it always does. That slot is now locked in on both ends. No more back and forth, no more "does Tuesday at 2 work for you" emails that take 3 days to resolve. From wasting hours coordinating meeting times to letting prospects self-schedule in seconds, that's the transformation. Give it a try in your next deal and see how much time you save. You might just find yourself wondering why you didn't set this up sooner.